Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a 505 room effect on Higgsfield AI. So this is what the 505 room effect looks like. So the first thing you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, and you can see amazing effects and visual video effects, image effects, and even camera controls that you can actually simulate and create all for free. So all you have to do to create this 505 room effect is to go to this website, click on Higgsfield, so scroll to 505 room. You'll be brought to a page like this where you can actually choose any of the images that you like, then click on it. Then you can see the prompt used to create that particular image. Click on recreate, and you'll be brought to a page like this. So in this page you can actually modify or tweak all the prompts in this area so that you can create what speaks to you or what would be best for your project. You can also upload your character here to make the image you are creating to be exactly like you, and also choose aspect ratio and choose the resolution you want to here. So once you are done creating, you can make it into a video or make it to speak by clicking on any of this area here and then hit download. So that's it guys. Let me know if you have any question concerning this particular image effect, and I'll see you in the comments. Also, please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day guys.